Did you know that you can track which of your leads are the hottest based on their behavior? This is what we call engagement scoring. And using GoHighLevel, we can set this up to track our leads, automate our sales pipelines, and do so much more using this awesome feature. So let me show you how it works. To manage your scoring, simply go to your sub account, go to settings, and then go to manage scoring. This is essentially going to add scores to our leads based on their engagement with our platform. So we can tell exactly which of our leads are the hottest. Most accounts come default with actions like if an email is opened, it'll add a point. If an appointment status is confirmed, it'll add a point, and so on. But we can add new rules by clicking add new rule, selecting what action, whether it's email events, if a contact's been changed, contact tags, payments, form submissions, and so much more. And then once we select our action, we can add points to the contact depending on how important this action is to your sales process. So you can completely customize this process for your business. For example, in this case, if a trigger link is clicked, then we'll add 5 points. And then we can use this in our automations in order to judge, engage, and organize all of our leads based on their engagement score. This is an awesome feature that you have to be utilizing within your CRM. So as always, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.